Good evening. You're watching India Today. I'm Devina Gupta. The news that is just coming in is that the death toll in Patna boat capsize has mounted to 16 now. At least 40 people, mostly devotees celebrating Makar Sankranti, were on board this boat when it capsized in the Ganga River near the Niti Ghat. A team from NDRF has been rushed to the spot. Two more teams of the NDRF will be sent. Ambulances also at the spot. Latest visuals coming in of the rescue operations and also from the hospital where many injured have been brought in. You can see significant presence of security guards as well. These are the visuals on your screen of the rescue operations that is being carried out as we speak. Now, my colleague Rohit is joining us at the moment. Rohit, can you take us through what's the stage of the rescue operation?
Well, the rescue operation at this point of time is going on the other side of the river Ganga, where this incident has happened. Both the DM and the SSP of Patna are there at the spot and they are monitoring the situation. But amidst all this thing, we have got a confirmed report from the city SP Chandan Kushwaha that the death toll in this entire boat capsize incident has now risen to 16. So it's a tragic incident that has taken place, and that is because it's the night time. So the NDRF and the SDRF
Yes.
also conduct a rescue operation.
We've spoken to the DG NDRF, Rohit, and he said that as the night falls, it will be more challenging to rescue more people. They're also trying to ascertain how many women and children were on the boat, but gross negligence cannot be ignored from the state authorities as well, because given that it's a festive season, they should have ensured that overloading of boats is not done. There are enough and sufficient transport available for the crowd.
Well, that's right. Adequate arrangement was not there. That is very much certain in this entire case, and this is what the eyewitnesses are also telling us, that there was not adequate number of boats that were pressed into action, because there was a limited number of boats that were present to take people from Patna to the other side of the river Ganga for the kite festival. On those limited boats, these people, while they were coming back on a single boat, there were 40 to 50 people who were sitting. That is because of overloading, that one of the boats capsized, and in fact several people are believed to have died in this incident.
Rohit, be with us, getting a reaction from one of the doctors who's treating the injured.
यहाँ पर 6 लोग आए थे टोटल, जिसमें एक महिला जो थी वो मृत थी। भले ही उनकी मृत्यु हो चुकी थी अस्पताल आने के पहले, और अभी हम लोग 5 मरीजों का इलाज कर रहे हैं, जो कि
So, Rohit, how many people are still believed to be drowned in the river? Because death toll currently has climbed and has mounted to 30.
Well, obviously, the death toll has now risen to 16 as per what the police officials and the district administration are also telling, and about 10 to 15 people have been brought to the medical college for treatment. So, if you count these, there were at least 50 people on that boat. There could be like 30 40 more who could be like in the river somewhere, and obviously search operations are going on for them.
Okay, so death toll at 16. Getting some more reactions. Rohit, be with us. Grieving family members there. A festive occasion turning tragic for them. Unfortunate incident of boat capsizing that has come to light in Patna. The boat was carrying 40 devotees. Children also were on board, and many women were on board. Right now, rescue operations are on. One NDRF team is at the spot, but challenges mounting as the night has fallen. And with each passing minute, it's more and more difficult for the rescue operation workers to ensure that people are rescued. Currently, death toll is at 16. But we can also tell you that gross negligence from the state government coming to light. This boat was overloaded with over 40 devotees who were returning after Makar Sankranti celebrations. Keeping a track of this story very closely.